Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the TN660 aftermarket toner cartridges from Office World. The toner is sold in a 2-pack and packaged in a nondescript cardboard box. So rather than paying a lot for fancy packaging that you're just going to discard, the savings is passed on to you, the customer, from this generic box. Inside, you'll find 2 individually sealed toner cartridges. After removing the cartridge from the sealed bag, be sure to distribute the toner powder inside by gently shaking it side to side and back and forth. Then remove the plastic orange cover. I'm going to use this cartridge in my Brother HL-L2380DW laser printer. I've been getting the low toner message on the LCD and a pop-up on my computer for a while now, and as you can see on this test print, the 100% black areas are somewhat light and faded. To remove your existing cartridge, just lift open the top and pull on the front door panel. Then remove the drum unit inside. To release the old cartridge, press down on the green lever in the front left corner, then lift the cartridge out. The Office World cartridge may look a little different from the original Brother cartridge, but it has the same general size and shape, and should fit into the DR630 drum just fine. Now you can replace the drum in the printer, ensuring that it is pushed all the way in, and close it up. After installing the ink, the printer recognized right away that the toner was changed, and automatically reset the toner life. However, if you need to do this manually for any reason, just go into the settings on the touch panel, then select All Settings, General Setup, scroll down to Replace Toner, and finally select Continue. Now when I print the test page, you can see side by side how much darker the 100% black areas are. I didn't notice any streaking or uneven areas, and the gradient transitions are even and smooth. These cartridges are rated to last for about 2,600 pages per cartridge, and cost a fraction of what you'd spend on an original Brother toner cartridge, and I'd say the quality is just as good. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.